السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. نحمده ونستعينه ونستغفره ونتوب عليه.
Yes.
مرحبا بك. Okay, so you said the topic number 12 had an issue, right? You wanted to revise
Which one?
topic number 12, right?
Yeah, الضمائر المجرورة المتصل بالأسماء.
Okay. So,
Actually, I am getting confused in one area. If I think that is cleared, I'll get this subject.
okay, what area is that?
It's again we had discussed once this we are having three suffixes. It's gaib, hadir, and mutakallim, right? Hello.
Yeah, go on.
Yeah. So once we are studying the what's given in the book, and then the exercise that is there. So in the exercise, when do we know, and when do we uh, when how do we do the exercises? Like how do we apply this in the exercises? That is my question.
You did the exercises with the English book, right?
Yeah.
Oh,
Because in the exercises I'm getting confused which one to put. When do we put the suffixes of the gaib, and when to put the suffixes of the hadir, and when to put of the mutakallim.
see.
It is only the exercise part that I'm finding it.
Which page is it?
In the English, it is page number 139.
59. This, right? This Rabia. Oh, this is 141. 160, sorry. Terminology.
This is the Urdu book, right? I'm talking
Oh,
about English book. It is
I thought it's
139.
this one, right?
Yeah.
Chapter number 12. This exercise, right? Replace the
Yeah.
nouns in the following sentence by pronouns. We're saying ابنة عمي زيد ذكية. Okay, we're supposed to replace that noun with pronoun, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so give it a try.
So Ibnatu Ammi Zaidin Zakiyatun. So okay. So Ibnatu Ammi Kiyatun. Uh, is the translation as Zaid is a son of an Zakiyatu, clever mother, like that?
Okay, let's go with mudaf mudaf ilayh first.
Okay.
Mhm.
So Ibnatu Ammi Zaidin Zakiyatun. Okay. So Ibnatu is the mudaf,
Okay.
and Zaidin is the mudaf ilayhi, right?
Okay. And
No. So Ibnatu Ammi Zakiyatun. Zakiyatun is the Zakiyatun. So Ibnatu Ammi
let's do
Zaidin.
one thing. Let's break this up. Let's leave this because this is the khabar. We have nothing to do with
Ah,
this.
this is the khabar. Zakiyatun is the
Let's,
khabar, yeah.
yeah, let's stick with these three words. Okay. Now you tell me
Okay.
how many mudaf and mudaf ilayhi you say in these three words.
Okay, Ibnatu is the mudaf of Ammi, and Ammi is the mudaf ilay for Zaidin, and Zaidin, no, Ammi
No,
is the mudaf for Zaidin, and Zaidin is the mudaf ilay for Ammi, right?
Namni is the mudaf ilayhi for ibnat.
Yeah, Ibnat.
Okay. Right. So now we know that. Okay. Right. Now let's come to the translation.
Okay, so Ibnat is the son of, right?
Yeah.
So Zaid, no, yeah, Zaid is the
No.
son of no, Ibnatu.
Keep the
Okay, it
concept
will
of
be
mudaf ilayhi in your mind so that you know who is possessing who.
uh-huh. Ammi. Ammi is the what is Ammi?
Uncle.
Okay, so Ammi, uncle of uncle. Okay, Ammi, uncle, Ibnatu.
Okay. Let's do another thing. Okay. Let's determine what is marfu', majroor, and mansoob. That will also help us.
Okay,
What is marfu'?
Marfu is Ibnatu.
Okay. And then the rest are
Rest are Majroor
okay.
or
So
Mansoob. Majroor.
I don't know why it's majroor, but it's majroor. Oh yeah, it's majroor because of mudaf ilayh. So yeah, so marfu is ibnatu, right?
Yeah,
So even in our translation, we'll start with that, right?
yeah.
So we'll
Okay,
start with the son of, right?
okay. The son of
Go on.
the son of the son of Zaid.
The son of Ammi Zaidin. He's not the son of
The
Zaid.
son. Okay, the son of Ammi Zaid. The son. Okay, okay, okay. I got it. The son of the Ammi who is Zaid. I like that.
No, 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 no. See, for
No.
example, I say Barakallah, right?
Yeah.
So the baraka belongs to Allah,
Allah. Yeah.
right? That was the meaning of mudaf ilayh. You remember?
Yeah. Yeah. Possessing. Yeah.
Possession of,
Belonging.
right?
Yeah.
So in this
Yeah.
case, if I say Ammi Zaidin, right? In English, I would
Okay.
translate it as uncle of Zaid,
Uncle of Zaid. Yeah.
right?
Okay.
Okay.
Uncle of Zaid is clever. Zakiyat or
No, uncle, the son
the son of Uncle Zaid.
of Zaid's uncle,
The son of Zaid's uncle is Zakiyatun is
clever.
clever. Yeah.
Okay. So now
Yeah.
you're told this word Zaidin is supposed to disappear and a Vamir is supposed to take its place. A Vamirul
Yeah.
Muttasil, an attached pronoun, right?
Yeah.
So now your problem is how do you identify that? What is it going to be,
Yeah.
right? Okay, let's
Yes.
get back to the three main categories that we saw of dhamir, right? We saw first
Yeah.
dhamir,
Gaib.
ghaib, and then
Hadir and then
hadir, and
mutakallim.
then mutakallim. Okay, so for
Yeah.
mutakallim, we said very clearly if it is dual or jama, you will see it having noon and alif, na,
Yeah.
right? For singular, mufrad, it has ya, ya mutakallim.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's clear, it's not that. We don't have ya, we don't have noon here, right?
Yeah.
So that's out of the picture, right?
Mhm.
Now let's come
Okay.
to hadir, right?
Yeah.
If we, in Urdu as well as in Arabic, if we're talking about something that's hadir, we'll point towards it, will show something
Okay.
that points towards it, right?
Uh-huh.
For example, if this same sentence was to be in hadir, I would say ya Zaid, right?
Yeah, Zaid. Okay.
So that shows that I'm with Zaid, that I'm calling Zaid.
Uh-huh.
All right. So for example, I would say ya Zaidu. Now it would be Zaidu. No, it would be
Mm-hmm.
ya Zaidan because Zaid is mansub now.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah,
Right?
Zaidan.
So ya Zaidan ibnatu ammi. Now here it won't be ibnatu ammi because I've already declared Zaid. I will use that pronoun, that attached pronoun here, which is
Okay. Which is Zaid ka.
ka. It's ka. So I would say
Yeah.
ya
Ka.
Zaidan ibnatu
Yeah,
ammika.
Zaidan. Okay.
You see how it differs?
Okay.
So you have to declare it. If it's hadir, you have to declare it.
Okay.
Okay. If it's not declared, that means it's ghaib.
It's Gaib. Okay.
Yani, I can't.
So this will be abnatu ammi, abnatu ammi hu zakiyatun.
Exactly. Now, it can't be ammi who because the,
Ammi he, yeah, because of
uh,
the,
the
uh, yeah,
you see. So this is how
because of the, yeah,
this is how we break it down. First, is it ya mutakallim? No, it's not. Does it have na in it to show that it's nahnu? No, it doesn't. Okay, fine. Does it have ka or ki in it to show that it is for hadir?
hadir.
Okay, it's not there. Are we declaring that it is hadir? Are we saying that ya Zaid or ya Aisha or
No.
ya
Mm-hmm.
Talib, whatever?
Not
We're not. So we're not declaring that it is hadir. So that
hadir,
leaves
yeah.
us with the default option of ghaib.
Gaib. Okay.
Now in ghaib, we have to determine that Zaid is of course male, right?
Yeah.
And it is mufrad.
Yeah, it is mufrad and it is male and it is singular male, and so
So
that is
we'll
why it
use
will be ka. Oh, sorry,
who,
yeah.
right? Now, because of its previous attachment, we can't use who. Who will become he,
He. Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Now we have to remember that this he still represents mudaf ilayhi, right? In which case,
Yeah.
if I were to ask you, what is the case of that he? Is it nominative, accusative, or genitive? What will be the answer?
The answer will be it is nominative, right?
No, it's mudaf
No, it
ilayhi.
is accusative. It is
Genitive. It's
marfu, right?
jar. It is jar,
No, it is jar. Okay.
right?
Majroor.
Genitive.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's try the next one.
Okay. So, Ummu Zainab maridatun. Okay, this is a question. So, okay. So, I will refer to is, right?
Yeah,
So, is the mother of Zainab ill?
very good.
Is the
Zainab is
mother of
supposed to go
Zainab?
away.
Okay. So, we'll see the mudaf ilayh first.
Yes.
So okay, Ummu Zainaba.
Leave
Okay, so
maridatun out of the
here
picture. Maridatun as well. We know it is khabar, so just leave it.
Maridatun is khabar. Okay, so Ummu is mudaf and Zainab is mudaf ilayh.
Very good.
So Ummu Zainaba. So and then okay. Okay, again, this is it will be gaib, right?
Mm-hmm.
Because the for mutakallim there is no we can't say it is mutakallim.
Exactly.
And
And we're
then
not declaring, we're not saying yeah Zainab. So
oh no, so third option is the gaib. So it will be ummu ha maridatun.
ummuha maridatun. Okay. Now if
Yeah,
you notice in this, the mudaf ilayhi is, what is the case of mudaf ilayhi? Is it jar? Is it mansoob? Is
it
it
is mansub.
okay? If I ask you why is it mansoob, isn't it supposed to be majroor?
Ummu Zainab maridatun. Oh, no, it won't be majrur, right?
Yeah, it won't be majroor. It will be mansoob,
Mansub. Yeah,
right? And as we know, mudaf ilayhi can be anything. It can be majroor. It can be mansoob.
yeah, but
Doesn't matter. It
mansub.
depends on the mahalli. Where is it coming?
Mahal. Uh-huh.
It's mahalli. Will okay. That's in detached, but in this as well. For some words, the mahalli will determine where it is, whether
It
it's
is.
majroor or mansoob.
What is mahalli?
The place. You remember
Place.
i'rab
Okay.
al-mahalli? Place,
Yeah.
place, the place,
Place.
right?
Okay. Okay.
So for example, if I were to say Khadija, right? Now we know Khadijata doesn't take the dhammatain, right?
Mm-hmm.
So even if it was to be marfu, I would still say Khadijata,
Khadijata.
right?
Yeah.
How
Like
are we
Aisha also.
exactly like Aishata? So how are we
Yeah.
to know whether this Aishata is falling in marfu or majroor or mansoob? Then we said we look at the mahalli,
Mahalli, the place.
the place where is it falling on. That will determine whether this is marfu or majroor or mansoob.
Mm-hmm.
You remember that as well,
Yeah. Yeah.
right? So in this case, it's not, because in this case, the fatha clearly shows bi fatha zahiri, right? If I were
Mm-hmm.
to tell
Yeah.
you to de-cleanse this word, Zainaba, you would say that it is mansoob, right?
Mansub. Yeah.
Because of fatha zahiri ala akhirihi, this fatha.
Yeah. This what.
That's why it is mansoob,
So
right?
yeah.
Okay, next one.
Next is Aina Shunatu Tullabi. Aina Shunnatu Tullabi. Okay. The okay. So Shunnatu is mudaf. Tullab is mudaf ilayhi, right?
Mhm. No, what did you say? Sorry.
Shunnatu is mudaf and Tullabi is
Yes,
mudaf
yes,
ilayhi.
yes, yes. Sorry, I misheard. Yeah, correct.
So Aina Shunnatu, again it's a question. So again it will be gaib.
Mm-hmm.
So it will be, and Tulab is Jama and it
Mm-hmm.
is masculine. So it will be Aina Shunnatuhum.
Aina shunatuhum, right?
Uh,
So you're understanding now.
yeah, I'm understanding. Actually, it's easier when we divide it into mudaf ilayh. I wasn't doing that, so that's why maybe I was finding it hard.
Yeah, because this you have to, whenever you see any sentence, first don't do anything to it. See the rules that you already know, then apply it to them.
Yeah.
That will just help you. For example, if I take this example here, كتاب الطالب على رفي. The first thing I can think of is separating this على رفي.
Yeah, kitab is mudaf, talibi is mudaf ilayhi, and rafi is a khabar, right?
Right? But I can separate this now to become على رفي. This becomes شبه جملة,
Ibu jumla, yeah.
right? Now I have my mubtada here, right?
Yeah,
Then I have my khabar here, right?
yeah.
Because of dhamma, I know this is marfu, end of story.
Marfu, yeah.
Because of kasra, I know this is majroor, end of story,
Majroor,
right?
yeah. And
Now I
Allah, rafi, yeah.
Yeah, this is
Yeah.
shibud jumla. Now I can start looking into it. Okay, this is marfu, this is this. Now because this is marfu and this is majroor, these two are shibud, they are mudaf ilayh. Murakkabul
Mudaf,
idafi,
okay,
right?
yeah,
And then I will look again at ala rafi. Okay, this is shibud jumla. So I'm looking at the things that I already know, and then I'm applying it to the sentence.
yeah.
Now this will give me a better understanding of its meaning.
Okay, yeah,
Okay, so that I don't confuse when I'm translating, I don't confuse the words,
yeah,
right? Because if I were to place a marfu, if I were to translate a marfu as a majroor, I would be changing the meaning of the sentence,
yeah,
right? So we have to be very careful with them. We have to first see all the principles that we already know, put them in the sentence, and then go, okay, this, okay, maybe this, okay, and then see what is correct. That's how I do it.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Let's go with number 4.
Number 4 will be, yeah, become kalamul ustadi. It is again a question. So how much, okay, for how much become comes when we say about a cost or price.
Yeah,
So
yeah, yeah.
will be become kalamul ustadi. So how much is the pen of the teacher? How much does the pen of a teacher cost? Like that, if you translate,
Mhm.
right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So kalamu is mudaf, ustazi is mudaf ilayhi. So it will be become again, it will be third person
Mhm.
there. So it will be become kalamuhu, right?
Yeah, become kalamuhu, right?
Kalamuhu. Yeah.
Okay.
Fifth will be ta'amul fawakihi lazizun. Okay. The ta'amu is food. Okay, again, if we put, if we divide, ta'amu is mudaf, fawakihi is mudaf ilayhi.
Gone.
So ta'amul fawakihi lazizun. Okay, the food is.
You're missing.
What is fawakihi?
You're missing one more thing here. This word already has a dhamir in it. You see, it's fawakihi.
Uh-huh.
So there is already dhamir there, right? So this is mudaf.
Yeah,
Ta'amu is mudaf. Mudaf ilayhi is al-fawakihi of ta'amu,
yeah.
right?
Ta'amu
And then al-fawakihi in its own is
is
mudaf.
mudaf of laziz, and laziz is mudaf ilayhi of fawaki.
And al-fawakihi is mudaf, right? Al-fawakih.
Yeah,
This is mudaf, and then it's mudaf ilayhi is this ha.
laziz. Ah, okay, okay.
Okay, so you have
Uh,
ta'mu mudaf, al-fawakih
fawaki
ilayhi,
is mudaf ilayhi.
and then
He
al-fawakih
is mudaf
exact
ilayhi of
al-fawakih.
fawaki.
Okay,
What does al fawaki mean?
fruit.
Okay. So ta'amul fawakihi lazizun. Okay, so it will be ta ta ta'amul fawakihi. So it is again Hadir? No, I mean guy.
Yeah, it is ghaib.
So ta'amu he it will it be ta'amuhu?
Ta'muhu. Yeah, because
Ta'amu.
I'm thinking there is no way we can say this is feminine. Like there's
Yeah,
no
it is
way
not
this
feminine.
sentence is feminine because it would be ladhidatun.
Yeah, lazizatun. And it is by itself masculine, this sentence.
right? So it will
So
be
it will be
ta'amu.
ta'amuhu lazizun.
Okay.
Yeah. Sixth one
Now,
will be
this
ma.
is a bit tricky because if you were to break this sentence down further, right? Let's break it down.
Okay.
Ta'amu is marfu,
Marfu, yeah.
okay? Al-fawakih, if you just leave this ha, let's just get this ha out of the way. We're talking about al-fawakih, okay?
It is majroor.
It is majroor, okay? And then
Yeah.
comes the ha, that is also majroor,
Majroor.
okay?
Yeah.
So now translate this sentence for me. Ta'amul fawakihi ladidun.
Again, tell the fawaki, what is it?
So ta'amu means taste, fawakih means
Yeah.
fruit.
Fruit. Yeah, yeah. Sorry. It's fruit. Yeah, yeah. So, ta'amu is taste.
Fruits, sorry, fruits.
Yeah, it's plujama. So the taste of the fruits is delicious.
Okay, now here the question that I'm asking is this ha here, is it referring to ta'amu or what is it referring to?
Ta'amul fawakihi. It is referring to fawaki, right?
Now, to be honest, I'm a bit confused here because it doesn't make sense. That's not how Arabic works. If it was referring to
Because
ta'amu,
if we are dividing this and we are saying al fawaki is mudaf and he, it is the mudaf of he. So doesn't it apply that he belongs to fawaki or?
no, because if I'm saying ta'amu fawakih, I don't need to put that ha there. I'm already that because that
Okay.
is already mudaf ilayh.
Yeah, yeah, that's there. Yeah.
Okay, it's like saying see what
Yeah,
mudaf
it is.
you see, because now I'm of the opinion that this fawaki this he is referring to another thing, maybe a garden or a person or something
Mhm.
like that, right?
So it should be, I think, ta'amul fawaki lazizun. That will be better.
Exactly, because now this sentence, I don't know if it is here. I don't find it correct. Okay, it's the same way. Ta'amu fawaki. Then
Yeah, it's the
this
same.
he
Ta'amul.
here is not referring to ta'amu. It's referring to a garden or something or a person. Because
Okay.
it cannot refer to what you call this, to palm or okay. So this he here is
Yeah.
referring to something else. So its
Okay.
translation would be the taste the of his fruit.
Okay.
Okay, the taste of his fruit is delicious,
Okay.
or his fruit tastes
Is
delicious.
okay. So it will, but it will stay as gaib, right?
Yeah, yeah, but it's just, you see, when you need to translate this as well, right?
Yeah, yeah.
That's why I was telling you, asking you, what is that ha therefore?
So ha is there for something else. It is
Exactly,
referring to someone else.
exactly. Because the thing with Arabic is if you have already declared it, you don't need to use it again.
Uh-huh.
That's the first rule. The second rule is if it's mudaf ilayhi, then that means that it's already being shown. So you don't need to add it again.
Yeah.
What they're doing here is they're adding this mudaf. Will I click on that? Whatever. They're adding this mudaf, fawakih, right, with another mudaf ilayhi, while this mudaf
Mhm.
ilayhi already exists in ta'am fawakih.
Ex- Yeah.
So because this mudaf ilayhi already exists, it's but natural to say that this ha doesn't belong to ta'am because
Uh,
mudaf ilayhi pair is already there. That means this ha is referring to another pair,
another.
which
Okay.
was already declared before.
Yeah.
Okay, go on.
ما ثمن كلام الطالب ما ثمن كلام الطالب. Okay, again kalam is the mudaf, talibi is the mudaf ilayhi.
And
So ما ثمن كلام الطالب. So it will be ما
no, no,
ثمن.
there are
K-
two mudaf ilayhi there.
Okay, samanu is mudaf of kalam,
Mhm.
and kalam is mudaf ilayhi for, I mean, kalam is the mudaf ilayhi for talibi. No, mudaf of talibi.
Yeah. Okay.
And talibi is the mudaf ilayhi for kalam.
Yeah.
What do we mean by samanu?
Price.
Yeah, price. Okay. What is the
Price.
price of the of it will be what is the price of the student's pen?
Yeah. Okay.
So ma samanu kalamihi.
Very good.
Yeah, because of the because of kalami. So it will be because there is a there, so we'll say he.
Yeah.
Uh, then ma launu khimari Zainaba. Ma launu khimari Zainaba. Khimar is, I think, wheel, right?
Khimar is dupatta.
Okay, dupatta. Okay. So what do we mean by launu?
The color.
Okay. So it will be ma launu. What is the color of the Zainab's dupatta? Or
No, no.
yeah,
Tell me what's mudaf ilayhi first.
launu is mudaf of khima. Launu is mudaf. Khimari is mudaf ilayhi of launu.
Mhm.
Khimari is again mudaf of Zainaba, and Zainaba is mudaf ilayhi of khimar.
Okay.
Khimari.
Okay. Go on.
So it
Translate.
will be ma launu khimari. Ma launu khimari. Huh?
Yes. Ma lawnu khimariha.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
So okay, I'm getting this. Can we do some that sentence which is hadir or mutakallim?
Hadir or mutakallim. Go number 13.
Number 13. Yeah. Anti ibnatu khali Aishata. It is referring to anti means you. So it's referring to a second person, right?
Yeah.
So that is how we come to know it is hadir.
Mm-hmm.
So it will be anti ibnatu khali Aishata. So again here we have different mudaf ilay, right?
Very well.
Ibnatu is mudaf of khali, and khali is the mudaf ilay of ibnatu, and khali is mudaf of Aishata, and Aishata is mudaf ilay of khali.
Okay.
So it will be anti ibnatu khali khalika or
Mm.
khaliki.
See, now this is the problem. Now, when you start to translate this first, maybe you'll understand. Translate it. There is a slight point you're missing.
Anti. So is your
Are you?
sorry, are you khali is paternal aunt, right?
Yeah, yeah.
No,
It's aunt.
paternal
Yes,
aunt.
call it
So
aunt.
is your
Are you,
eh,
brother? Are you?
sorry, yeah, are you okay? Are you the pet, are you the aunt of the daughter of Aisha?
Okay. Are you? First comes the daughter because it is.
Yeah, yeah, it
Why?
is.
Why are you starting with
How
daughter?
anti ibnatu khali Aisha?
Why are we starting with daughter here in translation?
No, I'm not getting it.
See, we said auntie is are you. right?
Yeah.
And then comes the translation of this. When you're writing in English, that's how you write. Are you the daughter? Why are we starting with the daughter?
Okay, because we are referring no, and the because it is the mudaf ilayh.
Hmm. First of all, because it is the mubtada,
Okay, the subject.
right? So that is why it has to
Yeah.
come at the beginning.
Okay.
Okay, like طعم فواكه, طعم is mubtada. ما لونه,
Yeah.
لونه is mubtada,
Yeah.
right? So because of that, ibnatu has to come first. It's the mubtada, right?
Okay. So are you are you the dot are you the
The daughter
daughter
of,
of Aisha's aunt?
exactly. Are you the daughter of Aisha's aunt?
Okay.
Okay. So now if put the dhamir here, what will the dhamir here be?
Ibnatu will come first because it is the subject, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So are you anti ibnatu?
I mean, you
Are
can
you the
say because it's the subject, that's why it's coming first, but we can interchange them. The subject can come after the object. It
after
will
the
be this
object?
way
Yeah.
because this is khabar, this is mubtada, and this is mubtada that comes at the beginning. So it has to be there
Yeah.
at the beginning. Okay.
So anti abnatu khalihi.
Aishata is female.
Yeah.
Khali is female. Anti is
Khalika,
female.
sorry, Khalik, no, yeah, it is male, sorry. It will be key, right?
No,
Khaliki, right? Right?
no.
Anti ibnatu
See, how did you translate this sentence? Are you the daughter of Aisha's aunt?
Aisha's aunt. Okay, Aisha.
Okay. So now Aisha's aunt is not present there, is she?
Okay.
In this
No,
sentence,
she is not.
she's not say she's not present there. So
Yeah.
she is ghaib.
Okay, okay.
She's not mutakallim and she's not hadir.
Oh,
So she's ghaib.
okay.
Okay. So how will it be?
Aisha, Khalihi.
Khali,
Sorry, Khaliha, Khaliha.
khaliha. Right? أنت ابنة خالها. أنت ابنة
Khaliha.
خالها. Right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Another one.
This is the confusing part.
It's not so confusing. Did you find it confusing?
Actually, we need to know the sentence, so you have to translate it properly.
Very properly. Otherwise, you lose the mahal, the place of what comes where. Can you spot any that has long